Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to be answering the question, is it possible to apply for both an open work permit and spousal sponsorship at the same time? And the answer is yes, but it depends on the situation and the country you're applying to. For example, in African countries, the process for spousal sponsorship and work permits can vary greatly depending on the country, as each has its own immigration policies. However, many African nations have frameworks for spousal sponsorship and employment visas which allow foreign spouses to live and work in the country. Today we're going to concentrate on Egypt. For spousal sponsorship, also called family visa for Egypt, if an Egyptian citizen is married to a foreigner, they can sponsor their spouse for a family visa. The Egyptian spouse must provide proof of income and the relationship, that is proof of relationship. The foreign spouse can reside in Egypt on this visa, but it typically does not automatically provide work authorization. So to work in Egypt, the foreign spouse may need to apply for a separate work permit, even if they have a family visa. The process for this varies depending on the type of job and the employer. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.